Hello guys, so this one is the Honda Fit third generation. So last week last 2 weeks or last week I rented a Honda Fit. It's the 4th generation, so today is the 3rd generation. So it's the cup holder is totally different. So here got one cup holder, as you cannot see. Show you, here you can see. So on the other side there's no cup holder. So here got 2 cup holder. You can see my water bottle over here. So here, this side, you also can put your water bottle. I can show example. This one I'm not too sure what is this. Oh, this one to control the volume. Oh, good, there's a remote controller. There's 2 cup holders over here. I think it's for the back view to put. Back seat to put the cup holders. And you can also see the back. Think cannot see no light because too dark already. I think I have to on here. So this one I don't think can open. Yeah, unable to open. I think just now I tried to sit at the back. It's acceptable for my height. My height is 188 cm. Okay. On the compartment, there's a lot of stuff here. There's tissue over here, a lot of tissue. There's aircon and a air vent on the left and on the right hand sides. And on top also here is very cooling. Okay. To adjust the volume, the air speed is over here on the left. On the right is to lower down the temperature. 90, lowest 18 The mode is to press different mode. This one will be up and down. This one is down. Back to blow at the face one. This will adjust the volume. The steering wheel, I'm able to adjust the volume. Yep. And eco mode, all this. Eco mode over here. This one, I'm not too sure what is this. Oh, this one I think. What is this? This one is I think for the traction to off the traction control, but there's no showing of the traction control. So yeah, this one can unlock and unlock. To adjust this one, as you can see from here, I don't think you can see. I have to turn on the light again. Yep. This one will show you to adjust the side of the mirror. Yeah, yep. Up or down to see the to park your cars, and on the left hand side is to close it. I can show you an example. This one I'm not too sure what is this. Let me know in the comments below. So this one is the normal handbrake. So the hazard light and the start and stop button. That's all. Hope you can enjoy seeing my video. Hope you can subscribe and like. See you on the next video. Bye.